Iraq, the ancient land known as Mesopotamia. Christians have lived there since the beginning. The church founded by disciples of Christ, some even say by St. Thomas the Apostle himself. Through the centuries, especially after the rise of Islam, Christians have suffered wave after wave of persecution, with the persecutions in this century by Al-Qaeda and ISIS just the latest wave. In 2014, all the Christians were driven from the Nineveh Plain, where Jonah the prophet preached. Since 2014 and officially since 2016, Nasarean has been helping Christians stay in their native lands with our unique concept of mini-microfinancing small family businesses. I've just returned from my 10th visit to Iraq since 2015, seeing some of the more than 60 family businesses we've supported through your generosity. Christians speaking Aramaic, the language of Jesus, staying in their ancient lands, starting a business, supporting their families, and building a future with dignity, with your support. Watch some of their stories. So we are in, this is the accessories, Nux Accessories. Really it's a repair shop for ovens and gas ovens and all kinds of things with Yousif, who this is in Qaraqosh, a small shop, but again he's supporting his son and who's working there, and others in this very small little business, but a successful little business. So I'm going to ask Yousif again why it's important that he stays. He showed me just a second ago up on the wall his father, who's obviously from here, family, but why is it important that he stays and he has a business here and does not leave?
مطول إذا أكو شغل ما حاجة نطلع برا، باقينا إحنا على مود هم تكوين عائلة وهم ثابتين أراضينا بيوتنا.
If we have jobs here, we don't leave, because now if we can have a family and to stay and to protect our lands.
Yes, inshallah.
إن شاء الله.